Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, Discovering AI, the future is now. So what exactly is artificial intelligence? And why does it sound so futuristic? Well, let's dive in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of intelligent behavior. Think of it as teaching computers to do things that normally require human intelligence. This includes tasks like recognizing speech, making decisions, and even playing chess. You've probably interacted with AI more than you realize. Every time you use a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa, that's AI at work. When Netflix recommends a show you might like, that's AI too. Even those spam filters in your email. Yep, AI. Now let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The concept of AI has been around for a while, but it really took off in the 1950s. Early pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid the groundwork. Turing proposed the idea of a machine that could simulate any human intelligence. In 1956, McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence at the Dartmouth Conference, marking the official birth of AI as a field. Over the decades, AI evolved from simple rule-based systems to complex neural networks. Fast forward to today and we have AI that can drive cars, diagnose diseases, and even generate human-like text. So why does AI matter, and how is it impacting our daily lives? For starters, AI can process vast amounts of data far quicker than any human. This means quicker diagnoses in healthcare, more accurate weather forecasts, and even smarter personal assistants. In our everyday lives, AI is enhancing convenience and efficiency. Smart home devices can learn your routines and adjust settings for optimal comfort. AI algorithms can help manage traffic flow in cities, reducing congestion and travel time. And in entertainment, AI is creating personalized experiences from music playlists to gaming. But it's not just about convenience. AI has the potential to tackle some of the world's biggest challenges. Imagine AI systems working on climate change solutions or helping to develop new medical treatments. In conclusion, AI is not just a buzzword or a sci-fi dream. It's a powerful tool that's already shaping our world in countless ways. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on our lives will only grow. Thanks for joining me on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time.